Hello children, today we are going to make one house. This is square and this is triangle. We have done both, but now how to make this? So consider this as 50, 50, 50 and 50 and 35, 35. Okay. You know how to make square. We have already done square with the help of repeat command also, and with how to make with normal command. So I'm explaining one more time. For to move in the same direction, FD 50, and to take a right turn, because we want to move in that direction, RT 90. FD 50, RT 90. FD 50, RT 90. FD 50, RT 90. These are the steps to make square, or directly you can write repeat 4, because we are writing the same steps 4 times. 4, which step you want to repeat? FD 50, RT 90. Okay. After writing, either you can write this or this. Okay. After writing this, your turtle is here. Now we want to make that part. How we can make? For triangle, we have to travel that much distance, and this is 50. Okay. So turtle is in the same direction. So after this step, write FD 50. Okay. Now turtle is here. But for triangle, you have to take a slant turn. Okay. In the beginning only I explained, for slant line you have to write RT 45. So your turtle will take turn like this, RT 45. Now to move in the same direction, FD and 35. FD 35. Fine. Now right now turtle is here, and we want to move in this direction, downside. So again RT, I'm writing here only RT 45. After writing RT 45, turtle will come this side, means in this direction, like this. But we want line downside. Right now turtle is here. We have done 45, but we want more. We want to turn, means we want line this side. So we have to take turn by 45 degree again. RT 45. So instead of writing RT 45, you can directly write RT 90 or RT 45 2 times. That is also okay. Now turtle is here, and to move in the same direction, FD and 35 only. FD 35. Fine. So by writing the steps, you will be able to make house. Fine. Now this I'll show how we can do on Turtle Academy. For logo practice, you have to open any browser. I'm opening Chrome. Here you have to type MS Logo Online Editor. From here, as I told you earlier also, you can open any platform online logo also and logo interpreter also, but I'm opening Turtle Academy. You can do the practice on another platform also. Now for practice, you have to click on playground option. Now this is the platform for online logo practice. Now as you already know, today we are going to make house, and steps are in front of me and in my mind also. So first I'll make square. So for this I'm writing repeat command, repeat 4 bracket FD 50 space bar RT 90, close the bracket, enter. My square is ready. Now I have to move in the same direction, FD 50, enter. Now to take a slant turn, RT 45, enter. To move in the same direction, FD command and 35, as I explained, we have taken 35 this. Now to move downside, again I am writing RT 45 to take a turn in the right direction, but we want to move downside, so we have to take one more turn. So again I am writing RT 45. Fine. Now to move in the same direction, FD and 35, because left side we have done 35, so this side also I am writing 35. Okay. Now to hide the turtle, I am writing HT, enter. So my house is ready. Fine. So you also try house. You can make a window also, you can make door also, because window is again you can make a small square inside the house. So please try at home. Be safe and healthy. Thank you so much, children.